today I have something special that I should have done a long time ago. I'm gonna replace this junky $20 chair. It's kind of a piece of crap. It's not comfortable at all. It does its job, but since I'm going to be doing a lot of work drawing and editing and gaming, all sorts of random stuff on this channel, I figured I should probably upgrade from this to this. Yeah, the box came to me with a giant hole in the side, so let's hope all the parts and everything are still in there. Let's put this thing together. I've been contemplating and kind of debating with myself on whether or not I should get a fancy desk chair. I've been doing all of my work, believe it or not, in the last 7 or 8 years. Just about everything on a really crappy desk chair. This isn't the first one. I actually had several more before that, each one worse than the last. So I figured I would finally upgrade and give in. Okay, so yeah, I remember the days when everyone was upgrading to their like race car-esque chair. So I figured I gotta give in. I've waited long enough. This thing is gonna look fancy. Yeah, does it smell weird? That's pleather. Delicious. This one was like 60 bucks on Amazon. So, judging on these steps, there's only 6 steps in total. It should take like 5 minutes to put this thing together. I finally have that fancy race car desk chair. Yes, yes. Woo! Look at that. Let's open this starfish. Ooh, look at that. That's actually pretty high grade plastic for the base. A lot better than this junk. The cool thing about these race car inspired desk chairs is that they come with race car inspired wheels. Wow. Free to get everything unpacked here. Hopefully it came with a tool. Yes, it came with a tool. Usually everything that you put together these days comes with a tool, just an Allen wrench, screwdriver maybe, but I don't know, I'm pretty good at putting furniture together. As you can tell, most of the furniture in my house is the cheap stuff that you just put together at home. So this will take like 5 or 10 minutes.
2,000 years later.
Ooh, that's spongy. Okay, I think we have all the parts now. We're just gonna put this thing together. Time lapse, engage! Clips underneath through the seatbelt straps, since they are race car inspired desk chairs, which a lot of us have, especially the YouTubers who stream and play games all day. These holes are for the professional seatbelt straps that you put into a race car. So look at that, very nice. That is complete. Ooh.
Don't back talk me, young man.
Trying to do that with just your hand. Oh, catapult. Oh. That is a bear trap.
Alright, let's get this bolt in here right nice and snug. Here we go.
Got a new chair. Performance desk chair material. Make sure that's in snug. This thing goes right here. Done. Oh my gosh, we're done. That was the last step. Let's clear up the space here and prop her up and see how she drives. Oh, more heavy lifting. Wow. Look at that.
$100 billion.
Dog hair. Where'd that come from? The difference is night and day, people. Look at this. Oh my gosh. In quality and structure, design. But let's do a sit test. What better way than to sit in both and compare? This thing doesn't even recline, so don't even worry about that. No armrests, no headrests, no lumbar support, no neck support. Yeah, I know, doesn't that make you angry? Obviously, Hatter prefers the nice chairs, so let's give it a shot, shall we? The triumphant arrival music, shall we? No, not that. So much nicer. That's all. That's video over. Good night. Oh.